Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to our Science Online class. Children, in our last class, we learned the lesson the earth. Then, what is crust, children? The outer layer of the earth is called crust, and under the crust, there is hot molten rocks. Inside that, there is hot solid metal. Then, what is rotation, children? The spinning of the earth is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Then what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. And the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Then what is gravity or gravitational force? The pull of the earth is called gravity or gravitational force. Okay, children, and in today's class we are going to start another new lesson, that is the universe. Children, have you heard the word universe? Then you know what is universe? The universe include the sun, moon, all the stars and all the planets including earth. And which is important in the universe, children? The sun is the most important to us. Then you know what is heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. What are heavenly bodies, children? The sun, the moon and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Children, sun is a huge ball of burning gases. It gives us heat and light. It is so hot and bright that its light and heat can travel millions of kilometers and reach us. Children, the sun is much bigger than the earth and it is far, far away from the earth. If one could fly to the sun, it would take more than 4 years to reach the sun by the fastest aeroplane. Now, can you imagine, children, how hot the sun must be for its heat to reach us from so far away? When the sun rises in the east, it is morning and all of them will start the work. Without the sun, the earth would be dark and cold and there would be no living beings. The sun and many things to make the earth a good place to live in. Children, we all need water to live. All plants, animals and people need water. Then, which is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. Then how we get rain, children? The sun melts snow and changes in the water to water vapor. Okay, the water in lakes, rivers and sea changes into water vapor when it is heated by the sun. Then what happened to this water vapor? This water vapor join together to form clouds and clouds bring rain. And the sunlight helps plants make food. How the plants make food, children? With the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Then we and all other animals get food from plants. Even the flesh eating animals depend on plants. They eat animals that eat plants. So without sun there would be no food. We know sun gives us warmth and light to us. Why the sun is important, children? Because without the sun, the earth would be dark and cold and there would be no living beings on it. Next, solar system. Children, the family of the sun consists of sun and 8 planets. You know what is planet? A heavenly body that moves around the sun is called planet. What is planet? A heavenly body that moves around the sun is called a planet. The sun and its planets make up the solar system. Okay, children, earth is also a planet. You know how many planets are there? 8 planets. Which are they? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Some planets are smaller than the Earth and some are much bigger than the Earth. You know which is the smallest planet? That is Mercury. And which is the biggest planet? That is Jupiter. Then you know which planet have water? Earth is the only planet that have water. Okay. Then some move around the sun much faster than the earth, and some take much longer. And all the planets shine in the light of the sun. They do not have their own light. Okay. The sun and 8 planets make up the solar system. Next, stars. Children, stars are fiery balls like the sun. Like the sun, the stars are all balls of burning gases. And the sun is also a star. Many stars are much bigger and hotter than the sun. Okay, but when compared to the stars, the sun is close to us. So it seems bigger and brighter. The stars do not give us warmth or light because they are very far away. Then why can't see the stars in the morning, children? Why do stars vanish in the sky? The stars do not really vanish. We cannot see them because sunlight is brighter than starlight. Children, some stars seem to form shapes in the sky. They form designs in the sky. These shapes do not change. A group of stars that seems to form a fixed shape is called a constellation. What is constellation? A group of stars that seems to form a fixed shape is called a constellation. Children, in olden days, people named the constellations according to their shapes. Some of these are Scorpion, Orion, and the Great Bear. Children, what we learned today? We learned about sun, solar system, and stars. The sun, moon, all the stars, and all the planets in the sky form the universe. Okay, and we know sun is a huge ball of burning gases, and sun gives us warmth and light to us. Then why is sun is important, children? Because without the sun the earth would be dark and cold, and there would be no living beings on it. Then we learned about solar system. The family of the sun consists of sun and how many planets? 8 planets. Which are the 8 planets, children? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Then you know which is the biggest planet? That is Jupiter. Okay, then we learned about stars. Stars are all balls of burning gases, and sun is also a star. Then what is constellation, children? A group of stars that seems to form fixed shape is called a constellation. A group of stars that seems to form a fixed shape is called a constellation. Children, hope you all understood about today's topic. So write your class work very neatly and learn new words and fill-ups.